Jump ball between Anyel against PJ Ibakani. Unang bola. Edanal back to Dimesa from the downtown. Okay, open. Dimesa sa malayo. Edanal on the floor. Ibakani sa gitna. Castro. Pelusan. Nagbababa ng bola. Dimesa against Perez. De La Cruz on the ground. Time remaining 7 minutes. Okay. Back to PJ. Ibakani. Hey, ang haba ng Ibakani. Sinubo yung bola sa rin. Shot. Castro. Back to Ibakani. Sa ilalim. Yuson. Shot. Again. To the rescue, De La Cruz. Suwad against PJ. Suwad, turn around. Sa ilalim, Gonzalez on the board. Keeper 2. Okay, Yuson. Sa gilid, De La Cruz. Shot. Ang lapit niyan. Keeper 2. De La Cruz. Perez against De La Cruz. Binigay kay Kim. Suwad against Yuson. Suwad, turn around. Shot! Grabe naman yung Kid Suwad na yan. Kid Suwad. Another one. Suwad against De La Cruz. Suwad. Wow! Last the basket. De La Cruz. Another one. Torres, ayan na si Anjo. Torres, sa ilalim. Duminizante, binigay kay JR, 2 pass to Torres, shot. Good for 2. Torres! Binalik kay Arroyo, back to CJ. Zamora to Gonzalez. Gandang pasa mo! Good for 2. 14 on the shot now. 2 pass. Torres, shot. Pinaysikan na. Orden from the downtown. Again. Uy, grabe yung power rebound. Last ball. Elicate, another ball. Elicate against De Los Santos. 2 pass. Good for 2. 2 pass on the board. Shot. Again. Oh, Hotel. Grabe naman yung flow. Lapitin. Perez. Right. Hotel. Perez. Oh. De La Cruz on the board. Sumat. Portray. Against Castro, again, Umaga, Lawrence, Yuson, Hilario, Hilario pa rin, kick out, Ote Portray, Hilario, against Julian, 14 on the shot now. Another 3! Ronaldo for 3. Bam! 3 points. 39. Still. Borden right on the board. Lawrence against Makali. Lawrence, dire-diretso. Ay na si Militante. Binigay kay JR. 2 pass, 2 bola. Uy, good for Good for 2. Ibang klase yung fake pass ni Tumas. Anyel from the downtown. Anyel lang. Perez against JR. Suwad from the downtown. Alam na kagad ni Arroyo against JR Zamora. Okay, Suwan. Faith for 3 points. It's Suwan. JR. 2 pass against Perez. 2 pass. Drop pass. Di Makali on the ball. Daniel. Perez. Still. Yapilo. De La Cruz. Derecho De La Cruz. 2 pass. Shot. Yes, yes. Another 2 pass. Shot. Again. Balik ang bola. De La Cruz. Napulot yung bola sa Perez. On the wall! Perez. Kick out. Di Makali. Faith. Di Makali siya. Pinis ka lang. Zamora. Perez. Inverted. 2 pass. Kick out. Yuson. For Trey. Grabe yung Yuson. Tumiting. Offensive foul. Hit. Suwan. Again. Suwan, turn around again. Again. Again the shot clock. Di Makali. Gordon on the board. Di Makali on the board again. Shot. Di Suwan for 3. 3 points. Perez. Perez. Shot again. Shot. 2 pass against Perez. Shot. Grabe yung galaw ng 2 pass. Gonzalez. Lawrence Bertrey. 2 pass on the board. Di Makali. 14 on the shot clock. Gordon. Suwan. Bertrey. For 3 again. Gonzalez. For 2.